Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this live stream with Mr. M.
How's it going, man?
Oh man, I'm in the pipe 5x5. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. Bitcoin is doing Bitcoin things, 105. I love it. We have a fantastic show lined up for you guys.
Oh yeah, for
As
sure.
always.
This time around, in this crypto year, I get the feeling, right, with Trump as president, and there's so much evidence of this, right? More than just Trump as president, because presidents or politicians, they seem to lie a lot, right? Yep. You have to watch what they do. And when you watch what Trump does, you realize this bull market may not ever end.
It's very likely.
You're
very
like,
likely. Very
damn, damn. All right, with that said, we've got a great show for you. We're going to be going over the news first, and then we're going to go into the Degen section, and then we're going to ask you guys for questions. So make sure you leave your questions in the comment section in the chat, right? And yeah, we'll answer those questions later on. We'll save them for later on and answer them. So leave your questions right now. Don't be afraid. If it's like, oh my God, it's too early, I gotta wait. No, do it now. And we will we'll choose from many of the questions that are out there. So yeah, and just remember, when we get to the Degen section, this is for your entertainment, not for your investments. Your investments go into Bitcoin.
Exactly.
Right here, right there.
There you go. Right there.
Okay. So with that said, let's get filthy. Oh no, that's later.
After.
That's later.
After. Before we jump into the news section, guys, remember to smash the like button. Let us know where you're watching us from, because we like to see all those beautiful places and countries coming in. Nice.
And yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button on Mr. M's podcast, because we're going to be doing a cool podcast that's coming up soon. So
yeah, we were discussing a bunch of possible guests to interview together. We have Charles Hoskinson coming on next month.
possibly Michael Saylor.
Possibly Michael Saylor, exactly. So interesting. So you want to stay tuned and do not miss that for sure.
For sure. Okay, speaking about interesting guests and stuff like that, remember somebody recently said that the news have said that they did this Nazi salute or something. And he did it on purpose, right?
Of course.
You can see it as trolling, right?
Everyone, yeah.
And trolling the media and stuff like that. And now, here's the thing. The funny thing about that is all the other politicians, all the scummy politicians that you guys love, right? They do the Nazi salute on serious, right? They're serious about it. But the media says nothing, right? When he does it as a joke, right?
Then it goes all over.
Yeah. There's the difference, right? So I want you to know that, right? He's the biggest troller of everybody. He doesn't just troll you guys. He trolls the government. Remember, he made, it's illegal to make a flamethrower in the United States, right? He had a company called Not a Flamethrower and sold flamethrowers.
Yeah, you gotta love Hillary.
He loves trolling. He loves trolling. He's the biggest troll of them all, right? So, anyways, I guess I call a taxi like this. Hi, taxi. Hi, taxi. Pet children.
I love this. The call waiter.
Waiter.
This is something a Chris tweeted. Shout out to Chris, by the way.
Shout out to MM Crypto, man.
This is fun. This made me laugh this morning. Oh my God, Chris, you killed it with this.
Oh man, let's see here. What is centralized and what is decentralized? Do you think Ethereum's centralized or decentralized based on this little tidbit? Now, why don't you read it to the people?
Yeah, guys. Okay, so check this out. This is what Vitalik tweeted not long ago. He says, "No, this is not how the game works. The person deciding what the Ethereum Foundation, EF, leadership, it's me." Okay. One of the goals, the ongoing reform, is to give the Ethereum Foundation a proper board. But until then, if that happens, it is I. It's me. So this is basically telling Ethereum is Vitalik at this point, which is Ethereum, is telling everyone, I decide, I'm the man. None of this is decentralized. Like it or not, deal with it.
Yeah. All right, dog.
Damn.
All
This
right.
is heavy. I mean, you said something interesting earlier. You said he should have discussed this with a PR team.
Exactly. I know.
Maybe just say.
Yeah. Maybe they could have worded it a little bit less, I don't know, harsh or dickish. Just saying.
I mean, especially when Ethereum is not doing great. Mm-hmm. It's like you
You ain't helping.
adding
You
weight.
No.
You know.
Oh boy. Well, at least Ethereum didn't dump on that news heavily. So that's a good thing, I guess. That means that you are not the shot caller as you think you are.
Yeah. Fair enough.
So the price pretty much said that. Okay?
It's just concerning, right? It's
Yeah,
concerning.
it is concerning. Yes, you've got the God complex happening, dog.
Yeah, and this is why we're saying, you know, I've seen tweets or posts. I have to say I can't get around it on X where people are saying, oh, the fact that Bitcoin founder or Satoshi team is not known, it's a bad thing because they came out nowhere and drag you. Okay, well then I will challenge you. How? I mean, first of all, it's not true. I disagree, but whatever. But then think about the reverse. If there is one person in charge of a project, well, that's easily manipulated, stopped, you know. So yeah, I don't know, man. I have some Ethereum, of course, and I don't know how long I'm gonna hold
Exactly me.
it. Just saying, guys, I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah, I'm wondering if the Ethereum is going to be replaced. All right, moving on. Oh, wow.
Ross is free.
Exactly. And you guys were like, "What is Ross free on day 1, 20th, the 20th?" I'm like, come on, man. Stuff take time. He's out now. Okay.
Exactly. There was also the argument that day 1 was actually indeed yesterday. So he did what he promised. So I wasn't sure until, you know, I don't trust politicians. Whenever they open their mouth, they lie, as you say all the time. So I wasn't entirely sure he would have done it, but kudos to him to stick to it.
So this is a part of watching what they do, not what they say,
100%.
right? When it comes to politicians. He said that he was going to release Ross, but that doesn't matter until he actually does it.
Yes, exactly.
And so
kudos.
he's done.
Yeah,
Yeah,
kudos.
yeah. And so the words line up, right? Which is very rare.
We are witnessing a really rare event.
Yes, very rare. And so effectively, this is a beginning of what I've been telling you, that we could see a nonstop bull market, because this dog seems serious about pushing Bitcoin and crypto into the limelight. And so effectively, we could be in the biggest bull market. This could be the beginning of what is called hyper-Bitcoinization, the Bitcoin bubble that we're going to be like, people will be talking about for years, that where Bitcoin goes to some crazy, unimaginable dollar price and never goes back to it kind of thing. We could be at the beginning of that, because that's coming. That is coming, right? We don't know when, but it's coming. Why? Why is that coming? Why would Bitcoin rise to some crazy levels? Well, I want to, since the inauguration, right, we've seen, what is this one? This one's Bitcoin bull market is in full force, right? This is the inauguration. It just started, right? And the last 4 years was like dismal. The last bull market was dismal, right? Lots of complaints, lots of nastiness happening, right? But this shows that there's a nice W here, and there's something
is cooking.
about to brew. And you can see even this big cup and handle is just the beginning of something absolutely epic, right? Epic.
Yeah.
Right? At least, at the very least, to the 200,000, 140, 150,000, at the very least to 200,000, right? But look at this.
Yeah, that's one I once wanted to talk to you, because this is crazy. So apparently the biggest gains we have to face next are going to begin from January 25th, so in 3 days from now. and they could go all the way until March. I mean, if history repeats, right? So maybe plus or minus a few days, which means we should about to witness a huge move.
So move your money accordingly, right? Because again, once I said, right, looking at what's happening, you know,
Commissioner Heston Pierce is going to lead a new task force to create a clear framework for crypto assets. I mean, Gary Gensler is gone.
exactly. You see the path, right? And so effectively, right? You've seen what's going on with the ETFs, $1 billion. That's nothing. Pennies.
Yeah, pennies compared to what's coming, indeed. And if you, I mean, we have an article we can talk about also, which, you know, highlight what the banks want to do. And look at this, follow the money. Michael Saylor acquired, I mean, this happens every week.
I know, exactly. I know, it seems like, well, it's always going to happen, whatever. Dude, why are you talking about it? It's automatic.
11,000 Bitcoin, man. 11,000 Bitcoin.
Think about that for a second. You are probably bored of Michael Saylor buying more Bitcoin
Yeah.
every single week.
Do you think it's going to stop soon? Or, I mean,
No,
it's not going to stop, right?
because he has because he said this is the apex asset. This is the asset, right? That sort of like buying a New York property for your rest of your lineage, right? Land in New York.
Manhattan in cyberspace.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's Manhattan in cyberspace, right? So you will guarantee yourself wealth for generations to come with Bitcoin. And if you have any doubt of that, you need to figure out how to clear that doubt. Because once you do, you will leave. You'll be the Bitcoiner picture, right? You'll be like, what is the big
Like the monk mode, who says the monk says everything.
Yeah, that was that image, right?
Yeah, I think they.
There it is, right here. You will embody this image if you understand. You will embody this in everything you do, right? No, there's no such thing as like Lambo for you, right?
Yeah.
Because you understand what's going to happen, right? And that is, you're like, so, well, I want a Lambo eventually. Yeah, you'll be able to buy the Lambo factory, dude.
You don't even have a chair, in fact. That's why we are standing.
Exactly. Yeah. So things are heating up. So, anyways, I wanted to play this. What is this? This Trump response to Trump. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Listen, Trump meme coin, right? This is an example of why he's going. Things are going to be heating up in the crypto space, and he defends this nicely, right? Let's listen. Take a listen.
Yeah,
right?
thank you. That was really interesting for a couple of things, which we can discuss.
Yeah, then we'll discuss it.
After, yeah. All right. Guys, let us know, as always, if you have audio. Let's go.
All right, let's listen to what they have to say.
Crypto coin the other day. Do you intend to continue selling products that benefit yourself personally while you're president?
Well, I don't know if it benefited. I don't know where it is. I don't know much about it other than I launched it. I heard it was very successful. I haven't checked it. Where is it today?
Hey, you made a lot of money, sir.
How much?
Several $1 billion, it seems like, in the last several days.
Several billion? That's peanuts for these guys.
What a legend. I mean, first of all, thank you. Do you agree that the journalist was super rude?
Yes.
I mean,
Yeah.
like it or not, this man is the president of the United States.
Exactly.
Address him properly.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, and don't come with you've made a lot of money without giving him numbers and specifics, please. Like, really? That's just rude, right?
Yeah.
That's not even, you probably didn't, that's not even accurate, billions of dollars, right? And yeah, and he probably didn't even like, he just said, someone come to me, let's do a Trump coin. He's like, yeah, whatever, right? And go ahead. And that's it. That was the end of that, right? So he's not going to know how much money he's made, right? Jesus Christ. And even if he does, right? Who cares, right? It's a meme coin, right? It's a meme coin.
Yeah, but the fundamentals. I know. I found it extremely rude from the journalist to address the president. Whether you like him or not, he's the president of your country. So you should be, addressing him accordingly. And he could have rephrased the same question in a more polite.
Exactly.
Way. But he handled it well, I think.
Yeah. Well, he knows that they're going to be mistreating him, but hopefully he makes sure that that particular journalist does not come back into the White House press room.
Yeah, exactly. All right, this is the big one I wanted to ask you because the CEO, Bank of America said, well, if they let us use crypto and Bitcoin for transactions, we are all over it.
Yeah, right. You weren't all over. That's like saying, if you let us use Uber as a taxi, man, we're all over it.
Who knew? Right?
Whatever. Oh, dude, can you do me a favor? Can you get the door and just leave that there? Yeah, I ordered some food, and it was taking a while to get here, and it didn't make it on time. But anyways, yes, banks, man. You know what? They do not trust a bank, right, with your Bitcoin, right? Let me tell you why, right? Thank you. I'm gonna bring up something.
I'm reading your mind, you see?
Exactly. I'm gonna bring up something if I can find it. I know I have it somewhere here. Stealth, fast action. I always do this. Just to remind you people of something here. Now, ready. Class action suit, right? Accuses UBS charging storage fees for phantom silver. What's particularly interesting in this article? I want you to let's see if we can find it. Standard industry practices. This is standard for them to give me your dollars. I'll get you some Bitcoin, but not really. This is standard. Damn. And if you look further, it's not just UBS that's done this, right? And cried, this is industry-wide standard practice. It's Standard & Poor, right? And so many other banks, right, out there, right, that have done the exact same thing and got sued and cried, but this is industry-wide standard practice. We didn't do anything wrong.
Crazy, right? I mean, they can't wait to do this again with Bitcoin, right?
For sure. For sure. So that's coming to a theater near you, right? And unfortunately, just like you guys buy XRP, you're going to fall for it.
Most likely.
For sure. For sure.
Likely. I mean, on the brighter side, if there is any silver lining here, I was reading that they might have an in-kind for the ETF, which means if you decide to sell the Bitcoin ETF investment, they'll give you Bitcoin. I mean, it's not done yet, but I heard that could happen. So that would be nice, right? Mm-hmm. So for all the ETF investors, when they purchase indeed Bitcoin, if they decide to sell it or redeem it, they can. So that would be...
Yeah, there should be a rule where you get to turn your ETF directly into Bitcoin so you don't have the tax, what's it called?
The taxation.
Taxation there because you have the same asset, right? Yeah. Because here's the thing, right? When it comes to what I don't like about taxation, especially when it comes to capital gains tax, is that if you sell the asset and then want to go buy it again, no, you can't because the government needs their cut before you can go buy it again. And so let's just say you sell one Bitcoin and then you buy that one Bitcoin back immediately. That's, well, you've incurred a tax loss.
Tax event, yeah.
Tax event, just even if you buy that Bitcoin back, it doesn't matter. You have to get taxed on the capital gains, which means that you can't buy the same asset again, which means like, wait a second, I'm being robbed. Dumbass, yeah, that's what income taxes is. A theft.
Yep, modern slavery right there.
But whatever, right? You go to sleep. Like you believe. You could think. The thing is about humans is that they can believe, right, that they're free and not enslaved, and say, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. You guys, you could actually, someone could put you in an encampment, and just brainwash you into believing that everything's okay.
Yeah.
And you would actually believe it, right? Because humans have the ability to actually believe anything if someone puts it, if they want to, right? And you could believe it. And so you could think, well, everything's good, even though when it's not, right?
Yeah.
And what you're doing when you say taxes are okay is you're saying everything's good, right? And well, I'll be okay. I'll be all right, even though somebody's robbing and stealing from you. Oh, well, no, I'm fine, right? It is what it is. This is how people are. But anyways, we're gonna get into the dirt, right? Where you have to pay your taxes if you play around in this dirt as an American. So just keep that in mind, right? The government wants their cut, and you have to maintain. Which the bonus thing about this area, right, is because you suffer a lot of losses before you see it, is that you do get a tax advantage.
You can request money. You will be paid a bit.
So you won't have to pay taxes.
Silver line.
Exactly. Because when you suffer the losses here, right, you could write them off on your taxes, right? I mean, of course, it just goes against your capital gains, right? Yeah. So if you lose $1,000 and then you gain $1,000, then they cancel each other out.
Exactly.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh boy! So what we did do yesterday? Because
Exactly.
Is that the Pope with the stripper thing?
Yeah. See, this is why you don't buy these things,
boy.
right?
How did it
obviously
go?
Pope with a stripper is just went stripped blind.
Man, I was ready with this.
I
man.
was
ready.
I was thinking we were going to the moon.
I already purchased a bunch of things because of this.
Exactly. I was checking the color of my Lamborghini.
I went forward with this. Oh boy!
Oh man!
Oh, no. Man, this
That
fun.
should have been a friggin' timeless piece.
Yeah, that's another bloodline retirement.
Exactly, but
option.
the liquidity. Look at the liquidity dropped to nothing. They wiped us out. Absolute wipeout.
Damn, this I feel it.
Yes, well, that's what it was meant to do.
For this slap.
It was worse than Buttcoin.
I'll take a slap.
Damn.
Oh boy!
All right, so okay, what's this Fartcoin? Well, we
Did we buy the top?
yeah, we bought. We're still good. We're still good.
Okay.
We
Nice.
bought low, so
Okay.
we're still on a. We haven't lost or gained anything, but we're good. We're good. So Buttcoin is still playing
Okay.
for us,
We're
right?
hanging in
Oh,
there.
no, Fartcoin. Sorry, Fartcoin is still
We're hanging in the
smelling
front.
good. Smelling good.
Was it Laura said I smelled FOMO yesterday? It was hilarious.
Exactly. Look at that. Do I see a spark of hope?
Oh wow! Oh, you did catch the bottom.
We caught the bottom, dude.
Yeah. Okay, that's
I feel we should FOMO in more.
okay. Double down on the penguin.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do
I
it.
feel like the bottom's here.
Oops.
Yes. Cause what could we lose on this thing? 50%?
Let me go back here so you can put the password and put some of the comments on. Thank you so much, guys. By the way, you are the absolute best. That's why we do this, right? Because of you. You are legends.
Ooh, look at how much money we've got. There's something. Ooh.
Well, how?
Look at this, dude. Look.
We are back.
Yeah. We're so back.
So back. Let's go.
Damn.
It's probably Solana reaping, by the way.
Probably,
but,
probably. Yes, let's see the Solana price. Yeah.
Okay,
it's,
Hive is going.
Yes,
green.
exactly. Did we get a double off of this? Because remember we got one coin.
So
I'm not
back.
sure.
Let's go.
Look at that. I think we got it. Did we?
Did we double?
Did we double on this? I mean, I don't remember if we. Let's just go back here and let's go click on here.
Look at Pippin.
Pippin? Pippin? Yeah, it was only one Solana. Dude!
Oh, so now what do we do?
Well, we sell half, man.
Sell half. Amazing. Let's go. So if you have done the buzz, which you shouldn't, and don't do it,
Yeah, but if you did,
you double it.
yeah, exactly. And you take profits here,
Exactly.
right?
Sell
You take profits, not screenshots. Crypto dudes, right?
should make t-shirts.
Take screenshots, not profits. But we're not real crypto dudes. We actually take profits, right?
Exactly.
Not screenshots.
Exactly.
But hey, you know what? If you want to be a real crypto dude, you're supposed to oh, look at how much money I got, and take screenshots today.
and it's gone.
And it's gone. Oh, you know what? I did that with one coin. I could tell you. I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm going to show it to you guys right now.
Look at Flork. Flork is green. Let's go.
Yeah. Hang on a second. Hang on. I want to show you guys a coin that I actually took screenshots and not profits.
Yeah, Laura
I
is
felt-
the
I
ants.
felt-
It's
I
the
felt-
ants.
I felt the pain of doing that.
Oh,
right?
the $1.
I watched it go all the way
it's
up
pumping
to.
again. We have some of these, right?
I watched it go all the way to 100 million market cap, and I was like, "Yeah, man, I'm gonna hold this, man." And
$2 billion. And it's gone.
it's gone. It's gone.
But we have some of these, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Because we pumping a little bit. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. Maybe we have money also in these too.
Yeah, well, let's just go. Should we get some pudgy? Yeah, we want.
Yeah,
we
we-
agreed
we-
to get some more pudgy because I feel that is. How much did we get last time?
One Solana.
One Solana. Let's add a Solana to that.
Okay.
I think. I know we just profited one Solana, and we're going in on this pudgy, but I feel that pudgies, man, pudgies. Whoops, I got this wrong.
I'm down.
I just have that feeling that I might be right. Might.
Let's go. You need to follow your gut. Mm-hmm. Let's do it. I mean, after all, to be honest, yesterday the portfolio was a bit, but today we're back. So
Exactly.
I think we should double down.
Yes.
Okay.
So we doubled down on pudgies. Pippin.
Did we double on Pippin?
I think so. I think we already sold half. Look.
Oh, let's keep doubling.
Yeah. Did we sell? We sold 0.5, and maybe we doubled again.
Let's see.
Well, yes.
Pippin. So Pippin.
I think we should take profits on this again, right?
Should we take another 0.5?
Yeah, we take half, right? 50%,
Perfect.
right?
Pippin.
Phew.
Let's go. That's
If Pippin comes back down, I think we might. Exactly. Exactly.
Load the track. Let's go. I love it. Nice. So what else we have?
Do we have anything else that we profited from? Jesus.
That's good. We have more green in Phantom, right?
Wow, we are like.
Let's go. Floor.
So, what egg?
Oh, pumped.
Did egg pump? We put one soul. Did we get over one soul yet? We have to take profits if we did.
Even that is a long play, though. Remember?
Yeah,
Okay.
but still, we should take profits. Nothing.
Yep. Okay, a little bit. How about the other one, the floor key thingy? It's green. Look at that. Flork. Did we double? One Solana.
Do we do one Solana into this? But that's Flork? Okay.
I think we did one Sol, but we haven't taken any profit yet. So I don't think we doubled.
No.
Kinda
We're right back where we were.
Okay.
So, nothing.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Jack, Sud.
Well, as long as we're not in red, I'm happy.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Anything else? What about the B thing?
Let's go to Billy. Well, Billy, we said that maybe.
I mean, there is a little bit of a green
Yeah,
candle.
exactly. I know. Should we?
Double down on Billy.
Yeah. Should we, guys? I mean, Billy
Your
is.
parallel yesterday. If Jesus resurrected, Billy can it. Oh boy, that was funny.
I don't know if Billy's gonna do anything for us, but I feel.
Oh, we got 24.
only
We
got
got 25.
25, right?
Let's do another.
Yeah, another 2.5, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Because-
half a Solana.
Yeah, because Billy looks so cute, right?
Oh, we got Pippin.
I know exactly what the hell. Sometimes it does that.
Maybe it's a sign.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Billy's so cute. So Billy deserves a little bit more love.
There you go, another 25. I think we might break that. I agree. I mean, at least he's trying.
I mean, yeah, it's gonna be a long haul though. But yeah, I don't think Billy's gonna die. I mean,
And if he
this is
does,
not good.
comes back from the dead.
If the dog survives, right? It has to break above that red line. But yeah, the blue and the red. But yeah, once we do, Billy could be resurrected.
It's go time. Like it. Okay.
Okay, now is the time for us to start looking.
Oh,
So I don't think.
this we sold? The $1 thing?
I don't know. Did we actually buy this?
Yeah, we did. We did buy it.
Buy it really low?
There you go. I think we got the bottom.
0.5. Okay. I don't think so. Oops.
I think we did. We got the bottom.
No, we didn't. No, because we still don't have enough money.
Okay.
Yeah. So should we? No. We bought this at the $20 million market cap, so that's why.
We're going back even. Ish.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll let it run. Maybe we can go back and retest some of those levels. I guess. We have to wait and see.
Yeah, let's let it run. And,
What happened to Melania?
She's
gone?
You know, she was just like Trump. She gave us the finger.
Oh my God! Look at that. Okay.
Oh wow. She just went up our butthole, right?
Aggressively, I would say. But this looks good though. I like where the chart is going with this.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Okay.
All right, guys. If you have any recommendation, as always,
Yeah, exactly.
let us know in the chat. A lot of people
Let's
are happy
start.
about waffles because waffles new all-time high, no?
Yeah, not a new all-time high, but you know, it's gotten back to where it should be, right? And aggressively. So let me see here, right here. Whoops, wrong one. Is this the right one? Right here? Or no? This where is this? There we go. This right. This is the next gen corner. Yeah. So waffles is at the 10 million mark. I think the key level for waffles is 11 million market cap. Above that, they can hold that level there for quite some time, and then boom, off we go for to take out the all-time high, right? So that's the red level which is 11-ish is the key level that it has to break above for it to really power through. Okay.
Nice. And by the way, I'm saving a lot of questions for later, so thank you for putting it in the chat.
Okay.
Still,
Junior.
Still with this thing, man? Oh,
Man, no.
no, this is old stuff, right?
Exactly.
Stargate. Oh, isn't it Stargate? What was the name of?
Yeah, the Stargate.
The AI. What's it called?
He's got some investment for
The
something.
AI thing was it
Maybe,
Stargate?
maybe it's called Stargate. I can't remember.
Because this also there was a TV series. Stargate. You
20
remember?
million market cap. Jesus.
Okay, the chart is not bad.
Yeah. Chart's pretty good, but man, if it breaks here, right, we're done for.
Yeah.
So 20 million market cap. Should we go for it?
16,000 holders.
Yeah, it's decent.
I would go in on this one. What do you think?
Yeah, it's decent. But I'm not going to go heavy.
Yeah. 0.5.
Yeah, I'm going to go 0.5, and you know, if we can add to it later, maybe we will. Depending on what the price looks like, right? If it doesn't look like there's any hope in hell, then obviously not. But
Okay. What happened to Moonkey?
we're treating this like the real investment here.
I know
Jesus.
we're being too serious on this.
Exactly, I know. I know.
It's Wednesday, man.
Oh man,
I think it's
damn.
I think it's because the
We're
portfolio
scared.
the portfolio is green.
Going
and we-
green. I know exactly.
It's like, what's going on?
Oh man, we are not doing the people a service here
Yeah.
by treating this like a real investment. Well, I feel it's real.
But I have a
I
good
feel
feeling
it's
about
real.
this.
I feel it's real.
Stargate is gonna pump. I have a
Trump
good
whiff hat.
feeling. Just rebalance the force a little bit. I mean, it could be a massive W.
No.
Yeah. No, it's not gonna happen. Peeping. Look at that peeping.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow, who knew?
Pippin, I
You
think it's
did.
kinda-
You were like
I was bullish on this.
bullish as mad on this thing.
Gangster. No, gangster. What's it? Gangster?
Where is that?
There, yeah.
Gangster.
Gangster.
What? No.
No, yeah. It's Okay, we need to know what Brian is. Because I
50
really
million?
I really want Brian. Brian.
Where's that?
That one.
The unemployed guy?
Dan.
It looks like he's no longer unemployed because he freaking raped everybody.
But this is genius. Brian. Unemployed coin. Fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and wow, it's not even. So this guy is saying it's not even me. So why are they using my photo?
Really?
Yeah, see, and why are using my photo?
Because you're unemployed, maybe, Brian.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is. I mean, the chart looks terrible, but I mean, the force is strong with Brian. You know, you know what I mean.
Oh, damn.
This is where we're gonna get hurt.
Yes. Okay, let's get hurt. Yes.
Let's go, Brian. You gotta retire
Brian,
your
yes.
entire bloodline.
Exactly.
I mean, it's possible we go and revisit those highs. You know.
Exactly. Very possible.
Bobby,
Very,
isn't
very
that the best
possible.
thing? Honestly, Bobby, isn't that the best thing? It's the best thing I've ever seen. The past few days.
Employed
That's
it's
it.
like we're removing the price.
Yeah. But with 0.2 Solana, you're gonna moon the old thing.
We're gonna boom,
Boom,
green candle, boom.
and it's done. This is. I mean, technically, if this goes, if it's not, I mean, I don't think it ragged. I mean, I don't know, but
Almost, but not quite.
yeah, exactly. So if we can keep it alive, I think it's gonna pump.
All right, guys. I suggest you not buy this.
Please, I'm begging you not to buy, Brian. I'm begging you, don't buy, Brian. Don't do it.
Oh, damn.
But I'm glad we've done it.
Yes.
Feel dirty now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what do we have? Lots of
Dow AI. What?
those are the ones they're supposed to be serious, but they are not. You know what I mean? I'd rather buy Brian than
Exactly,
the
yeah.
Dow AI because this is just like
This sounds too serious.
yeah.
This ain't no meme coin.
No. Plus, you know, they've used the AI bars, the Dow. I mean, just like, nah. Ooh, NPCs,
Where's that?
37, yeah. What is this?
I support the current coin. Oh, it's like an NPC.
Okay, I'm interested.
Jesus,
I'm listening.
Look at this, man. This thing went sideways for
I'm
a while.
listening.
What the hell?
This is a big.
What the
wow,
hell?
This is a big project.
What the hell?
Oh, look at that pump.
I know.
What?
We are early. I'm FOMOing.
This has to be like at least a Solana.
Oh, for sure.
This is a no-brainer, guys. I mean,
I'm FOMOing.
not for you, for us. Don't buy the NPC thing, but
Because, unless you're an NPC, you don't buy it.
exactly.
But
Okay.
we're FOMOing.
Okay, we could go back and retest some. I mean, it's definitely not a rag because it would have ragged already. right?
Exactly, yeah.
I mean, never say never, but the chart looks nice.
It's already up to 100% in 24 hours, and we FOMO'd anyways.
Exactly. Pump
Okay.
it, guys. Pump it.
Let's send it.
Send it. Send it. Okay, good.
right.
I feel strong with those picks today. The
Yes.
Brian unemployment is gonna surprise us for sure. And yeah, there's some good ones today. Okay.
Yeah, no, exactly. We had some failures in the past, but who knows this time?
Bootify. How is
Bootify.
Looks like okay.
Okay. Bootifying.
Bootify. Liquidity 968,000, 38 million market cap. What do you think?
It's got low
Bootify?
liquidity.
We Bootify into this thing, followed by Mario.
It's a Shopify and Spotify of crypto, merging AI and blockchain to revolutionize automated. Okay, yeah, you're too serious, man.
Yeah, too serious.
Too serious. No, man. I don't want to invest in some good product that's going to increase in value.
I have. I don't want to make money. That's a serious project. That's why Mark made fat dust. It's most likely what we're gonna do.
Oh, damn.
That's it. We have to have it.
Bloodline retired.
We have to have this.
Bloodline retired. Boom. It's down.
Are we buying the rug? Are we?
No,
buying
I don't think so. I get the feeling that this thing is going to turn around.
Yeah, it's man-made fart dust.
Exactly.
I mean, we don't want to buy serious projects. We're not here to make money, guys. That's hilarious.
Oh, damn.
We need to start recording something on the mixer. We can play.
Oh,
It.
damn.
Okay, how heavy we going to do this? 0.5?
0.5 years.
All right. Vamos. This is going to
Bloodline retired.
surprise us. Yeah.
I feel it. Like, it's such a low market cap, right? And people will get into this mermaid fart dust, like, because, you know, it's a mermaid.
It's
That farts.
It's dust.
Yes. Damn.
Amazing. And she even has the money in the banner.
Laugh now, but UFD is kicking butt.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you have this on a rampage.
It's on a tear.
Amazing, guys. Amazing. What's the Trump cat? Look how much money they spent on
Jesus. Yeah, I
Pushing
know.
it.
Look at this one.
Elon.
The money that these guys are spending pushing these things.
The money that these guys are making Dex cleaner.
I know,
They're
Jesus.
probably winning.
Jesus.
What's Trump cat?
Yeah, like we're estimating this is like what $100,000, just over, not even, just under 100,000, 80,000,
Damn.
right? This is well over 100,000,
Jeez.
120, 130.
How's Elon doing? Because I think they launched just after the Trump and Melania, no? Maybe we should have FOMO into this.
Wow. What do you think?
I like this. Says the only official Elon, which is not true, by the way.
No, but it hasn't rugged yet.
Are we buying the bottom?
I think so. I feel Degen.
You're the
coming
one-
in. I feel that the Degen, the force of Degen is coming in.
Once
May the Degen force be with you.
Exactly. I mean, this has to be one Solana minimum. What do you think?
Yes.
Like if we have to degen into this, we have to degen.
But proper. Proper Degen.
That this deserves at least one Solana. So, yeah, Nick says Elon launch. See what you did there? Yeah, exactly. But this is no
I
brainer.
see what you did there. Elon lunch.
This is a no brainer.
All right. Now that we've bought, send it.
Send it. I think our hands are in a good place today. I feel strong about the choice.
I feel good.
The choice.
I feel not rug. We're not going to rug here.
Yeah, there might be.
This one might have rugged.
Brian, kind of a
already,
borderline.
but-
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I think we
Look
can.
at see it, right? Look at the pump.
Yeah. It's up like 5% since we bought it. So, yeah, we're good.
This could be questionable, but that's what we have to do. Right?
Yeah, exactly.
You have to if you wanna. You gotta surf the.
We can't do the serious. Oh yeah, we're building some AI to help. No.
Next. Next.
Oh damn!
That's the whole point. I feel strong with the portfolio. Do you want to fish another one, or you feel good?
Yeah, I feel good. I feel good. Let's just leave it at that, man, guys.
Nice.
That was fun, man. I hope you enjoyed that nasty section, right? That Degen section, right? May the Degen force be with you.
Exactly. We got some good questions, by the way. So,
All right.
Igor says, will Solana go to 220 next week? A very specific target and price.
Yes, probably this week or next. Yes, there's a good chance of that. Don't bet on it. For like say like don't put all your chips on that number, right? That's what I'm trying to say is if you're trying to short it today, or if you're trying to like, okay, well, I'll go all in at that price. Those are wrong ways to look at it. You have to. It has to be some sort of trade where you're okay. Well, I won't risk more than 1 or 2% of my portfolio to short this to the 220, or I'm gonna like buy this at the 220 mark, and either if you're gonna run it to the you have to have a plan, right? Mm-hmm. And I'm just giving you plans, right? And really, it's all going for a specific number without a plan. Without a trading plan, you're going to lose money, period. And then you have to execute on a plan without fear and understanding that if your plan fails, it fails, and you move on and find a new plan.
Yeah, indeed.
Okay, thanks.
Indeed. Okay, let me go back in time. I have a few. Is altcoin season canceled?
Yeah, well, maybe. I think the meme coins might get something, but the dominance looks bad. The dominance looks like it might break out to some crazy number if it continues the way it is. So be ready for that because it's rough. Bitcoin dominance. Maybe we'll still have an alt season in dollars, but Bitcoin will be like, yeah, but I'm beating you in dollars.
Yeah, it's definitely one to look into it because the dominance is looks like it's going up, which is not good for alts, right? Mm-hmm. What do you think about MicroStrategy will do in this run?
Let me think here. Let me. I'm gonna think about this one. I'm gonna really concentrate and try to come up with this answer to this question. I think I got it. He might buy every week. Wouldn't that be crazy if he did that? Bought every Bitcoin every week?
Imagine tweeting on Sunday and buying on Monday.
I know.
Yeah.
That would be crazy, right?
Yeah.
That you couldn't imagine him doing something like that, could you?
Yeah, it's a good point. I think they're going to still accumulate heavily, and they're going to be geniuses until the end of the year, and then next year, if the cycle repeats, they're going to be headlines. Michael Saylor is crazy, blah blah blah.
Exactly. Yep.
Da Vinci, where do you see Bitcoin going in 10 years?
Wow, in 10 years, if anybody just bought into Bitcoin, dollar cost average, doesn't matter how much, like $50 a month, $30 a month, whatever. Right? Whatever you can afford, in 10 years, you'll be in the top 1% for people. If you just did that on a consistent basis for the next 10 years, it's like Michael Saylor, you will have unimaginable wealth that you can't imagine even today, right? You won't beat Michael Saylor, but you'll beat out a lot of people.
Microsoft, to name one company who was not invested in
Exactly,
yet, right?
Exactly. Because you could be, exactly. You could end up being the next bigger than Microsoft in the future because they didn't buy.
Exactly. What is the best coin that can do 5x? Okay, I like it's not a crazy target. I mean, 5x.
Solana, Sui.
You're kind of late in the party for the 5x, but it's still possible, right?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, exactly. I mean, even Bitcoin, right? Let's see here. Maybe Cardano, maybe. And yeah, I think the higher probabilities are Solana and Sui.
Yeah, I also agree on Cardano. Cardano is like what $1 now. I think 4 is not crazy to imagine. So you have a few, but it would have been great to start planning the alts way back. and see what happens. But yep. Okay, so is it a good time to buy Bitcoin or wait for the dump?
Let's see. Let's ask Michael Saylor.
Yeah, exactly.
What's he doing?
If there's
he's always buying.
If there was only a website to track, right?
Exactly.
Sailortracker.com. You don't wait for the dump.
Exactly.
You just buy Bitcoin every week, every day, every month, whenever you can. With money you can afford to invest in a long time frame.
Exactly.
That's the strategy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what else we have. This we've done. Can Bitcoin go to 130,000 by Friday? Wow, that's very specific.
No.
This Friday, I doubt. But 130K this year, yeah.
Yes.
Right? So this is the best. I get these questions all the time. Which coin has potential to be like Bitcoin? There is only one, and it's called Bitcoin.
Exactly.
Or Satoshis.
Yeah, exactly. Done.
No second best, guys.
None.
There is not going to be another Bitcoin. I think that's my opinion.
Right. And, even Ethereum is having its problems, right? Right now, it should have been pumping like crazy, and, it's done nothing. So it hasn't gone past its all-time high, and it should have done that. And that's because it was considered second best to Bitcoin, and now what? It's not doing second best.
Yep. Exactly. People are saying, is it too late to buy waffles?
No.
Buy now or wait?
No. If you want to buy. But remember, it's a meme coin.
Exactly. Let's see. You see anything else you like? Scanning through the chat. Are you guys buying Trump or Melania? Yeah, we did. We bought Melania, no?
Yeah, we bought Melania. I have some Trump.
Slapped.
Yeah, I got smacked around.
Smack in the face. I also got some Trump. Funny fact, we were actually discussing to go to Washington, remember?
I know, exactly. And if we'd gone,
Oh, boy.
we would have covered our trip, man. Jesus.
Exactly. It is what it is.
Because we had been invited to the party, the launch party of Trump.
Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, Medieval Empire's price target.
Ooh, me. Yes. Let's take a look at me and how me is doing.
When you're ready.
Hang on, let me just open up another tab here. New tab. Boom. Okay. And yeah, me.
There you go.
All right. So we're right now. Ooh, damn. 12. We've pumped and then reversed again. Jesus. We need to. Well, the game's going to be starting. We're going to be launching soon, right? So once the game launches, this is going to be off it goes, right? So this is a time for you to stack in, right? Whenever there's a downward movement, because the game is progressing, right? And it's more of a serious thing. And they've just added a new what's it called, campaign, the Crusaders campaign. And they're gonna put it on the phone, and people are gonna be getting the tokens and stuff like the me tokens and stuff. So yeah, I see big things coming in the future. So looking forward to it.
Nice. Makes sense.
In fact, I invested more. I bought 25K more.
More Medieval Empires.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Jessica is asking, best course to learn about crypto. Don't you have something happening in the region of courses?
Yes, actually. To learn about Bitcoin, I have a course that's available. It's called Bitcoin for Beginners. It's b4b.davincij15.com. I should have put it in the description, but if it's not there, it's just b4b.davincij15.com. Pre-orders are beginning right now. Let me just when did I just bring that up?
Yeah, sounds good.
Number 4, b. Dot J15. Why don't you bring that onto the screen?
There you go.
.com. And there it is. Pre-orders are ready right now.
Amazing. There you go. There you have it, Jessica. Nice. Sebastian is asking, how about Chainlink? I do like Chainlink. It's in my portfolio. I think it's going to do decent. I think it's like $23, $24. My target is about 80. The all-time high was 57, I think. So you might have 2 or 3x. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
Again, a bit late. I was scooping up at $3, at $2. So again, now we are towards the end of the cycle, I think. So, but still, yeah, I think it's a good project. By the way, we were reading before starting the show that through Chainlink, they found a bug into XRP. Remember that news? Maybe we can talk about tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's a good news.
All right, well, let's call it a day. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this show. I know the laughs are so much, and hopefully you're enjoying the laughs and the fun show every day. And come make sure you join us tomorrow because we're gonna do it again.
Exactly.
We're gonna get dirty again. All right,
Forever.
exactly. Enjoy. Peace.